Alright, so I think I've had my fill of Alien Run Trail. It's a real nice area, real quiet area, and definitely worth checking out if you are a bike enthusiast. It's some good trails to take your bike out on and good scenery. And now I'm officially getting ready to leave. I'm going to go ahead and head to my next location after replenishing in town, and we will talk later, and stay tuned to see what I'm up against. Alright, so I'm in Aztec. I was actually on my way to Farmington to go to a Walmart and get some replenishment in. Mainly I was just out of water. I was down to less than a half gallon of water, but I was driving, heading towards Farmington through Aztec, and I see the big blue box and pull in here. So get myself replenished. I don't have to go all the way to Farmington. And then after I'm done here, I'm going to go ahead and hit the National Monument, Aztec National Monument, and see what I can come up with there. Last I saw, there is no admission to get in. I think it used to be like a $5 entrance fee, but it looks like they cut that out back in May. So hopefully it's free to get in, and we'll get some good pictures, good video, and let's go ahead and stock up and get back on the road. So I just pulled up into the Aztec Ruins National Monument. I'm gonna head inside the visitor center and check out inside, and then looks like the ruins are all just right here next to it. So after I'm done inside here, I'll go out and check it out. I'm inside the Aztec Ruins National Monument Visitor Center, Information Center, and they actually have a video starting here. So I came to the little projection room, the movie room, and I'm going to sit down and watch a 15-minute video. And there's actually quite a bit to see inside here. It's a little museum. They gave me a little bit of information about the history.
They stretched from Chaco Canyon in the south to Mesa Verde and beyond to the north and west. And roughly halfway between is Aztec ruins. For a brief period, less than 200 years, Aztec's people flourished here. Who were these people?
Alright, so I'm just stepping out of the museum, out onto the trail that runs through the ruins here. A lot of really cool stuff to see in there. A lot of history, colorful history, beautiful. So this is actually really cool. You can actually walk around inside these old structures. I mean, I want to say they're pretty old, like 800 years old. Got to kind of duck to get through some of these, but I mean, it's like little regular houses here. It looks like a fireplace. A lot of cubbies and rooms you can walk through here. But yeah, this is really neat. I've always wanted to come to a really old, a really ancient archaeological site, and you know, seeing some of this stuff for the first time outside of the books, outside of the pictures. I'm just really excited. This is really cool. I mean, I got another window sticker to put on my van, and got a little book with some of the history. Oh god, wow, check this out. That is really cool. I'm gonna have to find out what this was all about. So this ruins is actually really cool. I've only ever seen it from pictures and on TV and everything, but now that I'm here, I'm just in awe. I'm wandering around, checking out some of the buildings, the structure. I want to come up this trail here. There's a bench up here, but I want to see if I can get a good picture from up top. But yeah, if you're ever in the area of Aztec, New Mexico, really beautiful area, beautiful ruins, a lot of history here. Wow. So I just came up to this little spiral looking wall structure here. Yeah, so this is a really cool place. Alright, so I just had the grand tour of the Aztec ruins, but it was a very beautiful tour. Beautiful walled structures, kivas. I mean, it gives you the sense of modern living. I mean, you go in there and it looks like a regular house. I mean, you can imagine the community that used to, thrive here, and some of the traditions, the colorful history it has. I mean, very beautiful area. If you're ever in the area, the Aztec National Monument is definitely worth the see.